And in South Louisiana, this is about the only place to eat. Boudreau's and Thibodeau. If you hadn't heard them French jokes, you sure got a lot to catch up on. Pawpaw Sammy here. Monday, I reckon around 11 o'clock. Eclipse day. We don't have much going. It's overcast. You can't even see the sun here. It's rainy. Messy weather. Anyway, we were in Thibodeau, Louisiana, eating dinner at Boudreau's and Thibodeau's restaurant, while my railbot, I'll get it out in a minute, was cutting my grass. That was hilarious. We sitting there eating, resting in a seafood restaurant, and there's that machine over 150 miles away with a picture on my phone showing me how it's cutting my grass. And believe me, it done a fantastic job. Look at that. Cut this whole front yard. Now it takes it about, I think this machine told me it took it about 6 hours. Okay, but my gosh, look at it. I'm 150 miles up the road enjoying myself, and there's sitting my little machine right there with a little blue frog gardening, just ready to go to work. Sitting right there on the charging pad. NOVABOT, I'll get it out in a minute. But there she is. And there is the little thing that controls her right there. Tells her where to go. Now what it is, I got her set up to cut just the front yard. Right here. Okay? Because I'm getting used to it. I was experimenting. Just this front yard. But what I'm fixing to do is come over here and get my little phone out and program it. Now this is going to be a challenge. It takes a few minutes. The boundary is nothing. You just walk it around, anything in the way, walk it around it, walk it out, go all the way around the edge, the boundary. And we come back to right here, where it's trained to go, right here. Right here. So when you get the boundary, then you got to take your time, walk it out to each obstacle. This little machine right here, that rose bush, that raised bed there, that tree, that bed, all this side over here, all that's got to be programmed. So it'll take me a few minutes, but once it's programmed, I can be in Hawaii, and this little jewel will be cutting my grass every other day. Now people, you can't beat that. I don't care who, where, or how, you can't beat that.